What's up, guys? And today we're going to be talking about the severe weather that is going to move through the Midwest and the parts of the Central South tonight. And we'll also be looking at the rain totals from this and also the snow totals. But before we get into this, I would ask you to subscribe if you do like watching weather-related content, and hitting that bell icon so you don't miss any videos. Anyways, let's get right into this forecast. So what are we looking at right now? We are looking at the National Weather Service for about tomorrow / tonight, and they have issued a slight risk of severe weather. Now, the main threats right now are wind and hail, but there is also a possibility of a tornado or two. It isn't a huge threat, but you can see in the probabilistic there's a 15% chance of not really every this is a 15% chance of wind and hail. I would guess there's probably just a 2% chance of a tornado. Mostly tornadoes are going to be over here in the Missouri and Iowa area, as the storms will start to weaken as they go over to the Illinois and Indiana, and then they will move the winter, and then we will be looking at the NAM model for the winter storm, and we'll also be looking at the snow totals. All right, here's a NAM model for about this is about 2 o'clock today, or no, this is tomorrow. This is tomorrow at 2 o'clock, and you can start to see some rain showers moving into the Missouri and Illinois area, and some pretty big snow showers moving into the Nebraska and Kansas area. And this, you possibly see some blizzard conditions with this if you're in the snow. So this can definitely trigger some traffic if you're traveling to for Thanksgiving. Now we can move this on here to about Tuesday night. You can see the strong line of bands, and this is very heavy rainfall and blizzard and possibly icy conditions over in the southeast part of Minnesota and parts of central Wisconsin. You can see icy conditions Tuesday night, and you can also see blizzard conditions in some spots over across of South Dakota, Minnesota, and Wisconsin, and even parts of Iowa. Maybe even Nebraska, you can see some blizzard type conditions Tuesday night. And this squall line will move across the Illinois area, parts of Missouri, Arkansas, all the way down to Louisiana And I will switch the region to the South Central so you can get this. So this line is switching all the way down to Louisiana and Mississippi, and this is moving across all these states. We can switch it to southeast. No, it isn't as severe, but there is still this front that is moving through with that rain, that very light rain that you can see the front there, and that'll definitely weaken throughout the day of late Wednesday. Okay, so now we are looking at the total snowfall amounts. All this is running to late Wednesday, and you can see with the numbers here, these are counting inches. With the highest, you can see 12 inches of snow. This is definitely going to trigger traffic and going to block out a lot of interstates. And this is definitely going to impact the Thanksgiving travel this year. So all these interstates that are across the Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, every interstate in Nebraska is going to get impacted. Even Kansas, some interstates might get impacted in the northern part of Kansas. And over in Colorado, you can see 13 inches of snow from this. And over in these green parts, you can see up to 20 inches. It is not showing the 20 number right there, but it is showing green. That is up to 20 inches of snow. That is crazy for Thanksgiving. And then we'll look at the rainfall totals in just a second. Alright, so here's the total accumulated precipitation. And this is the snow all across here. This is just showing it as precipitation. Mostly down here, this is all the rain. So you can possibly see up to... You can possibly see up to about 2 inches of rain, 2 or 3 inches of rain throughout these states, throughout the Midwest. And like this is all snow. This is going to be all snow. This is not going to be rain. This is just counting the snow that as precipitation. And parts of Michigan, you can actually see up to about about 4 inches of rain. So that's kind of a lot of rain. You might get some flash flood warnings in parts of Michigan Tuesday morning. But the models might change, so we might have to do another video on this. But if you did like the video and you want more, I would like you to subscribe and hitting the bell icon so you don't miss a future upload. And make sure to check out the links right down below of my social medias. And stay safe.